Hello students. Now we going to the paragraph The Secret. The Secret. That night Yvonne was listening to the song of the nightingale. That night Yvonne was listening the song for singing the nightingale. Now he could understand its meaning. Now he understand the meaning. Birds singing song. Yvonne spoke to the bird in its language. Yvonne spoke to the bird in its language. How did you learn our language? How did you learn our language? Flying towards him, the nightingale asked. The nightingale asking to Yvonne, how did you learn our language? Yvonne told the whole story to nightingale. Yvonne say the story, okay? How he learned the bird's language, okay? Going to the flashback, okay ma? I have a secret to tell you. I have a secret to tell you, the bird said. The bird said, I want to say one secret for you. What is it? Yvonne asked. What is it? Yvonne asked. The bird whispered the secret in the Yvonne's ears. The bird silently said the secret in Yvonne's ears. Yvonne, the merchant, called him. The nightingale flew away. Yvonne, the merchant, called him. The merchant called to Yvonne, come here. Okay.